Clay is as amazing for your skin as music is for your soul. So with heaps of outstanding options, what you need is a guide. Hi, I'm Anmol and I'm here to give you the dirt on clay masks and how they can make you look flawless naturally. Clay can purify your skin like a song can cleanse your senses. It's pure, natural, affordable, and gives your skin a boost of firmness. It sucks out impurities like a vacuum, leaving you with radiant, silky smooth skin. Everything is fun and games until a pimple surprises you on the morning of a big date. With regular use, Clay will keep those night-ruining zits at bay. Now let's break down what Clay will make your skin sing. Clay is the perfect solution for greasy skin. For instance, bentonite clay, which comes from volcanic ash, absorbs excess oil and detoxifies your skin. French green clay is similar with an added pop of color. And then there's every grandma's favorite, Multani Mitti, a fantastic exfoliator and cooling agent. All these clays are effective on their own, but when mixed with complementary ingredients, they work in harmony to give you fantastic results. An easy way to take advantage of these benefits is to opt for a specially formulated mask like the M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Mask. Whenever I use this mask, I feel transported to a tranquil bistro. Because this combination of coffee and chocolate smells exactly like the best mocha latte you've ever had. The coffee in this is a powerhouse of antioxidants that tones and tightens your skin. Your pores will thank you for this deep cleanse that not only eliminates oiliness but also reduces tan. Fortified with vitamin E and argan oil, it also moisturizes your skin and has anti-aging properties. Apply for 20 minutes and wash, and you'll see the difference. Face it, we are all better people when we are moisturized. But if your skin is dry, you need a clay that works for you. Enter the wondrous Rasool clay. This hydrating clay has moisturizing properties. Mix with rose water for a nourishing and clarifying DIY. It's fabulous at fighting blackheads and freshens the skin without drying it out. Sensitive skin is special, like the first love song that made you cry. And so, it needs a clay that is gentle and loving. Meet kaolin clay and rose clay. Mix either with aloe vera gel or water for clear, fresh and blemish-free skin. Both of these offer the benefits of clay masks without causing any irritation or redness. Beautiful skin doesn't take miracles. It just takes commitment, care and clay. This video turns you into a clay enthusiast. Happy masking, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.